question being kind of popular if the Be Beauty Bye Bye Makeup Reusable Makeup Remover pads could be used as, say, to do other things rather than just remove makeup. If you don't know this yet, guys, the pads are super soft, specially made for sensitive skin. One package includes 3 pads. It's water activated, so all you have to do is run down the water, squeeze the excess water out, and then wipe off the makeup. That's all. You don't need any other product. It's gonna work perfectly. Remove even waterproof mascara, waterproof makeup, long-lasting lipstick, or anything like this without rubbing. Like, I created this all for myself because I have extremely sensitive skin. So to answer the question, yes, it could be used for pretty much anything you want. You can apply the toner, use a cleansing balm if you prefer. So if you don't want to use just water, you can basically do anything, whatever you think this is gonna fit in the niche. Go with it. I use the Best Baby Cheeks All-in-One Hydrating Milk, coconut water and bamboo extract. I'm just gonna pump this on. So you see it's wet. I'm just gonna tap this on. As with any toner or anything like this, I never like rub my skin. Now I just want this to be applied on my skin. So once again, to answer the question you guys asked, yes, these pads can be used for pretty much anything. Removing the makeup, used with other products, with skincare products to apply it, to remove it, with the toners, to remove a face mask. This actually works amazing if you like to use, like, say, a clay face mask or something like this. All you need to do, make this wet at first with the excess water, hold on your skin to kind of melt the clay mask and then wipe it off. So I really hope this answers your question. This can be used for pretty much anything.